What do I do with my hands?
I'm gonna move them. My strong hand. Can you look over this shoulder right here? We're gonna let the leg come to the floor. And this is where you're feeling a little bit of tension?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna drop into here a little bit harder.
Oh! That was great. Turned into Tony the Tiger.
Tony the Tiger, yeah. Let that leg come through.
It was good.
A little push here. Are you used to getting adjustments?
No, I've only ever had one from you.
What? Yes. I've never been cheated on.
And you said I trusted you.
Yeah, because I had tattoos.
I just go, yeah.